Singtel Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Singtel's plans and products are in the description. Singtel is Singapore's largest and most established mobile network operator, offering extensive 4G and 5G coverage, competitive mobile plans, and a strong focus on business and enterprise solutions. With nearly 100% nationwide coverage and a rapidly expanding 5G network, Singtel provides ultra-fast speeds and low latency, making it ideal for streaming, gaming, and professional use. Their postpaid and prepaid plans cater to a wide range of users, with generous data allowances, unlimited local calls and SMS options, and flexible international roaming packages. Singtel also offers exclusive perks like data rollover, family sharing plans, and access to premium content such as music and video streaming services. Business users benefit from enterprise-grade security, cloud solutions, and IoT connectivity, making Singtel a top choice for corporate customers. Despite its strong reputation, Singtel has some drawbacks. Pricing is generally on the higher side compared to competitors like StarHub and M1, which offer more budget-friendly alternatives. While Singtel's network quality is excellent, some users report occasional congestion during peak hours, particularly in densely populated areas. Customer service also receives mixed reviews, with some users citing long wait times and inconsistent support experiences. Additionally, while Singtel's prepaid plans offer good value, they lack some of the flexibility and affordability seen in competitors' offerings. Overall, Singtel is an excellent choice for those who prioritize network reliability, fast speeds, and premium services, especially for business professionals and heavy data users. If you need the best connectivity in Singapore and don't mind paying a bit more for quality, Singtel is a strong contender. However, if budget is a primary concern, exploring alternative providers may be worthwhile. Check the links in the description for the latest plans and offers.